Hello, class. How are you doing? My name is Albert Pearsall, and I'm your professor for microeconomics, principles of microeconomics for the fall of 2016, and our section is 11399. If you go to Blackboard, you will click on our course, as you see here. This is a tour that I'm providing of the Blackboard site, so that you'll be familiar with the course and what's involved. When you click into the course in the Blackboard site, you'll see over on the left-hand side a bunch of tabs. You'll notice the announcement page is where we start first, and in the announcement page you will see a great page of announcements where I let you know what's going to happen. And what I've done is I've sent you a welcome of our Principles of Microeconomics class. I'm hoping you will look at that message to you and you know and follow it. If you want to find out about me, you can click on the faculty information and you'll see a picture of me, and there'll be some information about me just to give you some familiarity with why I may be interested in leading this class with your help. If you click on the next tab, you'll come to our syllabus, and the syllabus is right here. If you click on it, it'll bring you right to our syllabus. You can click right here and the syllabus will show up. Included in the syllabus, on the back page of the syllabus, is a contract. I'm going to ask all students to simply sign that contract, take a picture of it, and upload that. I will create a portal for you to actually be able to do that. But please review the syllabus. The syllabus is a sort of our contract of expectations that I have for you, as well as your expectations you should have of me. I'm going to work very, very hard during this semester for you, and I'm hoping you'll do the same with me. If you click on the next tab, it'll take us into our course content area. The course content area is really important because what the course content area does is it provides information regarding text resources and student registration. If you choose to use the MindTap resource from the publisher Cengage, there is a cost involved. You could click on this and you would be able to access that. If you come here further, you will be able to click on access to the course content. Now, this particular screen is my view, and if you click on when I click in this button here, I will now show you the student view. And the reason why I did that was just to show you that there's a lot of information that I have embedded in this course that you will not see. And in fact, you may not necessarily do any of this work that is in this course. This course is built to be a resource. And so it's a resource for me, and it's certainly a resource for you. But I don't want you to feel overwhelmed when you look at this course site. So therefore, some of the information in it is hidden from your view. If you click on the course content, it will bring you information for the various chapters, and there's PowerPoint presentations, and there's information in there for each one of the chapters. And so please feel free to click on it, and you'll see the PowerPoint here, as well as student handout, and so it gives you a lot of good information. The next tab is our discussion board. The discussion board is basically a forum, and for example, this particular discussion board was a previous discussion board that was used, but it's here because what I do is I often will take discussion boards that were done before and I modify them. So I would ask you, don't do any of the discussion boards at this point. They're merely there just for my need should I want to give you a discussion board assignment, they very likely will be modified. So what you see here is not what you'll actually get, but it gives you an idea. When you do a discussion board, it's going to require you to do some kind of reading and also to respond to the post of at least 2 of your classmates. This is very important. You must respond to the post of at least 2. You can respond to the post of more than 2, but at a minimum of 2. Group work, there's nothing there, but however, it is expected that there will be some group assignments, and I will assign groups accordingly. There's another area where assignments can be located. However, the plan is to place most of your assignments in the work due area. The work due area will be an area that you will normally go to each week to see what assignments are, and that'll be where my lectures will be listed there, where there'll be some discussions, where there'll be group activities. A lot of that will be there for you each week. However, there will be occasionally some assignments. If there are some assignments in the assignment area, I will clearly send an announcement and I will provide you with a linkage to that. There is a possibility that I may also create a Start Here tab where I'm going to actually include this recording there. But it's a possibility this recording will go in course content for your view. Tools and communications. This is an area where there's a variety of resources, NBC Learn, that we may be used during the course of the class. And when we do, I will certainly pull from these resources and tools for your benefit. Here is my grades, where you can go to look at your grades, find out where you are. And then I have an area for student resources where you can go to the Research Academy for Integrated Learning, or RAIL, and you can actually learn how to use Blackboard and online learning resources. Very important in the course to be able to do that. I strongly urge you to take advantage of that. Very important area of this course is the work due area. Again, I have work in the work due area that will be available for us for all the weeks. You'll see that in week 1 and week 2, I have this assignments here. There's a PowerPoint and study guide for chapter 1. We'll have some information for chapter 2 that will be added later. There's class activities. There's a discussion board assignment that you will very likely get. Again, as I shared, if you're going to get a discussion board, it's going to be placed in the work due area for that week. There's again the syllabus and asking you to review your syllabus and to submit your class contract. This is all the information that we're going to have so far, but there'll be additional information that will be added. This is a very dynamic class, and so information will be added and even removed depending on how rich our class discussions are, how we progress in our learning. But I'm really excited that I think that this will help you in terms of giving you the resources to focus in on the class. So again, I'm looking forward to learning with you. I think that we're going to have a very exciting opportunity to learn. And this course is so important for you to remember that it is technology enhanced. We will be communicating frequently through the use of emails and through Blackboard. But I really think it's important for you to learn that economics is such an important class. It's the study of how a society manages its scarce resources. It has wide applicability to almost everything that you're involved in, and of course it's an important class for you to understand as you progress in your business studies. So I am looking forward to learning with you. I'm looking forward to learning from you, and I'm excited about our adventure this semester. So I look forward to seeing you soon. And remember, attendance in the class is very important for your success. Thank you.